So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is LUNAROSE because I'm the flower that blooms at night, and as you can read from the title of today's video, since it's nearly Christmas, I caved in and I went on a massive shopping spree on TikTok Shop. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these products with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family, as well as my spicy page, which I will leave a link to down below. But the first product I picked up, I got from Mitchell, made by Mitchell on TikTok Shop, and it is the Swirl Kit, which is a mixing medium as well as a liner brush. So this is what the two products look like. It is basically a very thin, nice long liner brush, which I actually really like for doing white in my waterline, as well as the mixing medium, which if you don't know what this is, essentially it's kind of like liquid glycerin, so you can mix this with any powder eyeshadow and it'll turn it into a liner. So I figured it'll be good for next year when I want to start being more creative and do more fun looks. I have a good mixing medium. But also what's really good about these, if you have like an eyebrow pomade or like eyeliner or anything that's kind of like dried out a little bit, just put a couple of drops of this in it and it'll like rehydrate the formula and make it pretty much good as new again. So yeah, these always come in handy, and I think there was like £10 on offer since, you know, Christmas time, festive season. I had to buy it, girl. I had to buy it, and hopefully I can start being a lot more creative with my makeup in 2024. How crazy does that sound? 2024. And then the next item I picked up is very Deja Vu, since I purchased a little mini mystery bundle, so you get like 30 quid's worth of products for like 15 or something like that, and in that kit I did get another Swirl Kit solution. But again, these are kind of them products that you can use for like so many different ways, so I'm not too miffed. I just wish I didn't purchase one separately and then get one in the mystery bundle, but that is literally what a mystery bundle is. And then I did also get Respect Liquid Blush, which when you hear like liquid blush, as that brand calls it, and it's like a bright green, you're like, oh, shit, I'm never gonna wear a bright green blusher. However, I think it could be really fun for like a creative makeup look. But what these are really good for is that they're also like eye safe and lip safe. So I figured I could do like a green brow in the future, or use it as like eyeliner, you know, festive season. I could probably paint my entire like face with this and become like the Grinch, you know, festive season, or use it as a lipstick. So even though it's kind of like an unconventional colour, and I'm fairly sure they just put some products in the mystery bundle to try and like get rid of them, and it is a bright green. I'm a drag queen. Drag queens are the like MacGyver of the makeup world. I will find some way, like shape or form, to use this in the future, since green is my favourite colour, girl. Also in like the mystery bundle, I did get Hello There, which is like, I was reading it like Obi-Wan Kenobi, like, hello there. Hello There, which is like a holographic kind of liquid blush, as well as Posy Rosy, which is like a really nice like mid-tone raspberry pink, which honestly I think would like really complement this outfit. If I did this as like a lipstick or like on my eyes, this kind of tone really is beautiful. And again, I think pretty much all of Made by Mitchell's like face like blushes, is what they're called, are also like eye safe and lip safe, so you can kind of use them in a multitude of different ways. And yeah, it wasn't a bad mystery bundle, I will have to say that. The next thing I treated myself to is a bunch of the Made by Mitchell gel cream glazes. So essentially these are just kind of like pot concealers of like gel cream colour. So again, they are kind of designed for the eyes, but I'm fairly sure you can use them anywhere on the face, and I pretty much purchased the entire range that they sell of the gel glazes, since I've seen so many people on TikTok doing them along like the lower lash line, and they look so gosh darn pretty. So if I have colourful like lower lashes in the future, it's probably going to be one of these. So yeah, like I said, I literally picked up all of them that was available on the TikTok shop. The next product that I picked up is another one of the liquid blushes. Again, even though it's called a blush, like blush but with an R because he's English and a lot of us say like blush when you're northern, it is like an eye safe kind of lip safe formula, and this is like a really pretty like pastel corally orange. So I think this would look so stunning. I know we're in the wrong season, but like for a summer bronzed Barbie bombshell with like a gorgeous soft coral lip, screams my name. And yeah, again, you can use these as like eyeliners and stuff, or at least that's how I'm gonna get like most use out of them, but also you can use it as a blush. I did actually use the shade Sweet Cheeks on my cheeks today to put under like my like actual powder blush that I put on top. So I do actually use these quite often, even in drag, and yeah, I picked up some more colours on them, girl. I did also pick up one of his liquid blushes in like the bronzing formula. So I did pick up the shade Shady Business, which is more like a cool toned bronzer. And again, eye safe, lip safe. I figured I'd get like a lot of use out of them. And this one is a lot more cool toned. So I'm hoping I can like use it on my like base makeup to contour my nose in, since it looks like that really good like cooler toned like brown shade. So yeah, I'll use it in the future and let you know what I think of it. And then the final thing I picked up is from Glisten Cosmetics, and I picked up their entire collection of their Chroma flakes. If you have never seen these, you guys know I am a drag queen. I have drag queen like sparkle syndrome. Anything that's like glittery, duochrome, sparkly, shimmery, I need in my collection. So like I said, I picked up all of the Chroma flakes, which are essentially like little gel pot kind of colours that are all like duochromatic. They're like glittery and like flaky and delicious. You always see like high fashion like editorial photo shoots using products like this, and you know, I'm a drag queen. I want some like sparkle, glitter, glamour and something extra for a look. So yeah, I purchased all of the entire collection, and I may have a series starting in January where I'm tempted to go through like each shade, since it's going to be a colourful series of several girls that transform magically, that I figured these would work like really well for like giving that full drag high impact fantasy. So yeah, that was hella expensive for like the entire collection. I think it was like 140 quid, but based on the pictures, I needed them. I needed them. It's nearly Christmas. I treated myself, okay? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little like Christmas TikTok made me buy it, which is essentially I use Christmas as an excuse to purchase more makeup products that I'm just gonna like haul in my collection. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which product I picked up in today's haul is your favourite, if there's any other makeup I should be trying out in 2024, what videos you want to see more from me in 2024, and don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. There is new videos going up all the way up until the start of January, and then throughout January I will be doing my regular like Monday, Wednesday, Friday upload schedule with a few bonus days thrown in, since like I said, I will be doing a special little makeup series that I've wanted to do for years, and it's finally coming to like fruition in January. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini makeup haul, and thanks so much for watching. Bye. Ooh, good tongue pop outro. Bye.